Welcome to our technical video for our app called Skilligence.
First off, we have the sign in and sign up page. Then we have the home page, which has an automatic code generator. Then we have a brief description of the app's aims and goals. Then we have the career map, a visual representation of career journey that shows the user steps to achieve their career goals. This shows the different levels in a career journey. Then we have Skill Finder. This is a library that provides comprehensive articles, videos on a particular skill to help the user increase adaptability to careers and achieve their goals. This can be used by any career at all, any vocation and every profession because it will attribute to that career. This skills vary from financial literacy to digital marketing, resume writing, and public speaking. Then we have the job feed. Job feed provides available vacancies to job seekers, giving details about company, salary offered, and description. Then we have the job match. This provides resources to career assessment since the app does not have an algorithm to build one itself. Then we have the AI chatbot. It helps the user to navigate the app. Not only that, but necessary steps that can aid their career to know what career goals to set. This is a typical conversation with the bots. So yeah, we can see that we're asking questions with the bots now. Now we have the community tab. This is where fellow job seekers can converse about their journeys, give advice, and commune. Then we have the settings page with the typical sign out and basic
This is
functions.
the second section of
Thank
the
you.
technical video where we're going to be answering some prompts like what couldn't they do to make the app and explain some significant parts of the code and how it works. So here we're going to go to the Thunkable app builder which is to build our app. So we use the file-based API key and database URL over here to run the sign in and sign up page for authentication of users. So we use data sources such as Google Sheets, API, and databases that we made by ourselves. So this is to pull in data from the Google Sheet into the app and to upload data from the app to the Google Sheets. So as you can see here, the job feed API, but this one upload pulls in data from the Google Sheets into the app. So here we're going to have a database manager who will censor and validate the data that is inside this database. So we have, as you can see here, we have multiple APIs. So here we made a AI chatbot using Dialogflow. So here we made our knowledge base, making the intent and the responses. So these are sample questions and answers that can be asked through the AI chatbot. So beforehand, we made a research survey that that will help us in making the app. So under this question particularly, we noticed that many people answered that there were scams and frauds. So that is why we have a database manager who will be censoring and validating the data inside here. So the second question is how do we get user feedback on our solution? Like I said, the Google Forms. So, but however, a user feedback that stood out to us is that we need to provide space for people looking for jobs to talk to each other and even a space where the labor force can talk to employers. However, we have not made a where the job seekers can talk to the employers, but we have made a space where the fellow job seekers can talk to each other, which is the community side. So community posts to talk to other fellow job seekers who are asking for advice or to just communicate with each other. So another question is, what were the results of for user feedback? Make sure that we made a page for fellow job seekers. However, we have not made a page for job seekers to talk to employers. So what doesn't work here is, and what feature app features do you hope to build? So we hope to build a space where job seekers can connect employers. However, we have to implement profiles into this, which would include more databases